Captain Jack Storm, a charismatic and adventurous pirate, sets out on his trusty ship, ready to conquer new horizons and discover hidden treasures. Emma Hayes, a successful and overworked chief executive officer, seeks solace on her vacation, hoping to find a moment of peace amidst the chaos of her corporate world. Captain Jack, fueled by the thrill of adventure and the allure of treasures, decides to plunder the yacht for its riches. In that moment, something magical happens. Jack is captivated by Emma's presence and his heart sways towards a new direction. Instead of proceeding with his pirate ways, Jack decides to strike up a conversation with Emma, drawn to her in a way he cannot explain. Maverick and Whiskers, the unlikely duo, form a fast friendship, mirroring the bond that's developing between Jack and Emma. Jack and Emma find common ground and discover the depth of their connection, their contrasting lives intertwining in unexpected ways. Choosing love over their previous lives, Jack and Emma embark on a journey together, exploring exotic locations and leaving the constraints of their worlds behind. Society may judge and doubts may arise, but Jack and Emma's unwavering commitment to each other helps them overcome any obstacles in their path. As Jack and Emma uncover riches beyond their wildest dreams, they also uncover the true treasures of their shared experiences and the strength of their love. In this poignant moment, Jack and Emma embrace the joy of simply being together, encouraging viewers to seek genuine connections and shared experiences in their own lives. With hearts intertwined and spirits unyielding, Jack and Emma build a life filled with love, adventure, and shared experiences, ready to face whatever challenges come their way.